Yo, so y'all boys, man. Now y'all ain't seen me in a minute, but look, I ain't no time for explaining all that. I wasn't even gonna record this today, but I'm like, I ain't getting y'all boys something to get like 2 to 3 weeks, but y'all gonna see what I got going on today. Do mind the hill, man. Look, I'm roughing it out here. I don't care about none of that. But look, today Karma about to get a little add-on, man. It's gonna make it look right. You feel me? It's something big for me, but maybe something little to somebody else because they already got it stocked with it. But look, I'm gonna show y'all right now. Man, we got regular old Karma right here, but she about to get a little upgrade today with this thing right here, man. You know I had to switch up the bumper, man. That little base model ain't gonna work for me. It ain't gonna cut it, man. So I need to go ahead and throw this on here. I mean, I know it's red in my car black, but eventually I'm gonna get it wrapped. Until then, I'm gonna be around like this. And if you got something to say about it, I don't care, keep it yourself, you feel me? So, in order to put this on here, y'all, I gotta take my front wheel off, get all under, pop all these clips off, pop all them clips off, take the other wheel off. So do all that, got my little jack stand, got my little pump up, you feel me? And yeah, I'm about to get jiggy with it. Keep in mind now, I'm doing all this by myself, so it's gonna take a little bit longer, you feel me, than it is if somebody who had a little bit of help. But I don't care, so Sunday I got all day. Let's get it. Yeah, boy, little checkpoint where I'm at, man. I just took the tires off, now I'm about to pop them little tabs off in there. I'm about to, don't worry, bro, I got another jack stand. Got the other jack stand up, but yeah, got the tires off, man. Now I'm about to get in here and do that dirty work. Everything popped off for the most part. That's all I need to get in there. Unplug my side markers. Now I got to get up under here. Get a little dirty. Oh. And take these all these 10mm clips off. And yeah, look. I hope this damn thing don't fall on me, bro. Whew. But it's cool in here, it's hot outside, so I'm straight. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. That boy talking about something. Oh, them 2 bolts hard to take out. Try me. Try me. I already got the other side done. Look, it's not even the hardest part. It's the easiest part. Man, look. See these things over here? Yeah, go underneath this. It's a lifesaver. Whatever it is. Let me get at it. Quick. It took about 5 miles. 30 seconds. Mine didn't fall off because I got these aftermarket headlights with, the colors and stuff, you feel me? And they wired to the bumper, so I had to cut them zip ties, but yours should pull right off. And I forgot one side of the wiring harness for my side markers, but we straight now. See how boy the damage. Yes, sir. We off. Clean, got your splash skirt at the bottom, take that off. Yeah. That's how we looking. Now I need to get these tabs. I need to drill these up because I need them to hold the new bumper up. So we about to see how that about to go. You need this piece right here of your old bumper. You need this right here. In order to get it off, they got rivets in there, so you got to drill through that drill bit to release them. And you gotta have a rivet gun. You feel me? Come on, man. Right there. Put it back in your new one. This is how it go. Also, you need this piece of the other one. This one just pop on, pop off. But this you gotta drill off. You're gonna take it. And you gotta re-rivet it back onto your new one. All right, so boom. This is where we at. I done riveted the things in, put them in, slide everything in. They're not clipped down anything. Still gotta drill them in there, but that's one of the rivets I made. Still gotta drill them in. Secure it, you feel me? Just give me that look before I secure everything on there. This thing, yeah. Look at me, beside the point that it's red, I'm gonna call black. But you still get the idea. The wire, the fog lights and everything. Got to zip tie all that back up to the bumper, but I ain't worried about that. Oh yeah, gotta get them side markers. Need them. Side markers equipment in there. So you gotta put these little tires back up top. And the wheel well, put those back in. I gotta zip tie those back. Those from purple lights, man. That's why I look like that. Y'all ain't gonna have all that. It's from purple lights. Yeah, just gotta zip tie that back up to hide it. Put these back in, throw my wheels on, and I'm done. I had to take the splinter off. The splinter was all messed up. I'll give me another one. That one's all raggedy anyway. I had to get behind it, and that was stopping me from doing it, so I get another one. It's over, finally done, got it over with. pain in the butt putting it back in because I ain't sort the screws the right way, so I'm using the wrong screws. I'm using screws with push pins need to be at and all that stuff. But man, yeah, this thing look good. I had to take the little whatever the thing, the front little panel thing. I forgot the name of it. I had to take that off because it wasn't fitting right. So I'm gonna get a new one if I really want it. But I don't know. But y'all got everything running, man. It look tough, but it's different colors. But hey, it's not hard, bro. Let me show y'all, boy. Whee. There it is. Everything working. Got the lights working, the fog lights working. To work the fog lights, when you got the RT base models, you got to flip the wires. The negative, the black wire got to be on top. And you got to put them in and they work. Yeah, man. There you go. Look at me, the different colors at the same time. My little biracial bitch right here, calm. You feel me? And this, my little piece right there, is right here. I just spray painted it black because when I bought it off the dude, he had it painted red, which is so dumb. But painted it back black, and I'm gonna sit that in there when it dry, and then, yeah, I'm gonna be real complete. It started raining, man, so almost didn't make this video, but everything working as you can see, man. I'll give y'all another angle when I get out in the open front of this carport.